If you want to build AI agents or want to become an AI engineer in future, then this reel is for you. Now there are two paths in order to achieve that goal. The first is the long traditional route in which you will learn everything from scratch, starting from Python, then EDA, then data analysis, machine learning, DL, NLP, transformers, then generative AI, and then agentic AI. But this will take you at least 6 to 8 months. But if you want to save time, then there's a smarter path as well, where we skip topics like data analysis, ML, DL, NLP, and transformers for now, because these aren't needed that much in building AI agents anyway. I divided this path in two phases, each of 2 weeks. In phase 1, you will be learning complete Python, including advanced topics like decorators, classes, asynchronous programming, and fast API for backend. And then you will learn Gen AI fundamentals like tokens, LLMs, system prompts, etc. After that, the phase 2 will begin, where you will learn frameworks like LangChain and LangGraph and some agentic AI fundamentals like RAGs, HITL, and React agents. Now in phase 2, I would suggest you to build some AI agents as well. You can either code them manually, or you can also use some AI assistants like Cloud Code or Codex as well. If you use AI assistants, then just make sure you understand the code it writes, else there's nothing wrong with it. Talking about resources, I would suggest you to go with these two channels. And after comfortable with building AI agents, you can circle back and learn the core topics which you have left behind, like machine learning, deep learning, NLP, transformers, etc. If I talk about myself, then I personally picked the second path, and now I'm learning the core topics which I have left behind. Now, if you want the detailed roadmap of this part, then comment agents below and I will send it to you personally.